Ash Hishit Bharatwaj ITO. So, resident in India, section 6 bar 1. Individual outside India for a period more than 182 days. Salary income received by the associate outside India from a foreign employer for a service rendered outside India could not be brought in tax in India. Yeah. Hence, held that since Asasi was outside India for a period more than 182 days, he has become a non-resident, and therefore salary income received by the Asasi outside India from a foreign employer or a service rendered outside India could not be brought into tax for assessment of 9, 11, 11, 12. Yeah. Want to say the employees, the person's residential status before assessing anything. He is not a resident in this time. Resident ordinary residents also, when you cross more than 182 days in a financial year and the income is received, total income is not taxable there. Very good.